Hey everyone. Okay, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you how I actually did add the clasp. I know at the end of the, or during the video, I showed you that I sewed the row of the 8 into the bracelet and that I was going to use a closure. And where I ended was, oh, I was going to have to try to figure it out. So I have figured it out. Pretty simple, actually. You could see right here, I have it on and it all came out great. And so I'll just walk you through and show you what I did. So pretty simple here. I have the 2 ends of the hemp warps. Now, I will tell you, one of the things I experienced is that I was pulling around just a little too much and my warp shifted and my bracelet started to curl. And so just be careful that when you are doing this, you don't pull your warps too tight or, tug at them because they will shift. Okay, so we should be good because there's really nothing on this end now to screw up because this end is dialed in and secured with a clasp. So all I did was, I'm going to turn this here a little. I just did 2 little knots. And I'm going to apologize. I have the fan off in here. I can hear it wanting to come on. I still have not figured out where the off button is. So silly. So I just made a little knot. And then I'm going to make another one. And I'm just using the chain nose to kind of walk that knot down so that it gets as close to the beads as possible. We don't want it we want it really snug against the beads. So let me show you. Let me see. Yep. This one's okay. I'm not gonna worry about that. And then what I did, and I always like to match. So here's the end and here's the little cap that I had to flip over. So I always like to match that and go in the same direction. So before I cut the hemp, and by the way, I do use my pliers to kind of open these sliders up a little bit more. Sometimes they're not exactly round and you could see that I just opened it up a little bit. So I'm going to slide that on and then I'm just going to push that in. Oops. Okay. And just make sure everything is okay still here. And now I am going to go ahead and turn it towards me so that I can see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, cool. And now I can see, yep, good. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring in my little scissors and now I'm going to nip these. So I actually have a layer of hemp in there, which I like because I feel like it's giving, it's taking up space. And I like that one is still attached. It feels like a good idea. So I'm just gonna cut above the knot there. And yeah, I have to cut off a little bit more. I love these scissors. Okay, and then I'm just gonna scooch this in. This is just one of those Thumbelina kind of things. And my fingers are not strong enough, so I just bring in flats and whoopsie. Yeah, so it looks like I might have to trim this little piece off here. And then I'm just going to make sure this is really nice and tight. So yay. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I stinking love this cuff. I mean, so unique, so different. We put it together last night and I was really kind of focused on showing you different beads that equaled, the tile. And so I just love all of it. I love the dimension of it. I love the end result. And what's super cool about these vintage tiles is that if you wanted, you could probably buff up the gold side and reverse it. So now you have 2 in 1. Pretty stinking cool, huh? I'm not really good at doing this on my own, but let's see. I don't want to get locked in here. But the cool thing about the slider is that you know, you can gain some length, right? So like if you needed a little bit more room. But yeah, isn't this great? Oh, I'm so stinking excited. So I hope that helps you. I thought for sure I needed to show you, excuse me, how I did that, because we just kind of left it in the last video undone. And I said, oh, now I got to figure it out. So pretty simple. Just, you know, like I said, be careful with your warps. And there we go. So yay. Alrighty, I'm gonna finish those earrings too, because those are too stinking cute. They need to be in my ears. All right, hope this helped.